everyone, welcome to the course on electrical system design. Today's topic is safety aspects of electrical system design. Two important aspects of electrical system design are provide proper functioning of installation for the use intended by the designer, and second one is to provide safety to person, livestock and property against dangers and damages that may arise in the use of electrical installations. The two major risks exposed to end users by every electrical installations are electric shock current and very high temperature due to sparking, which causes burns and fires. So we have to take more care about protection against direct contact, protection against indirect contact, protection against thermal effect, protection against overcurrent, protection against fault current, and protection against overvoltage and undervoltages. Protection against direct contact is achieved by prevent person and livestock coming in direct contact with live parts of the installation. And second method is limiting the magnitude of current passing through the body to a lower value than the perceptible shock current. And protection against indirect contact is achieved by preventing fault current from passing through the body of any person or livestock and limiting the magnitude of fault current which can pass through the body to a low value and by automatic disconnection of the supply. Another important area is protection against thermal effect. During normal operation, there shall be no risk of persons suffering from burns due to thermal effect. But in some situations, the current flowing through the circuits exceeds to a larger value, and this will cause increasing the amount of temperature and leads to bad thermal effects. Then protection against overcurrent. Automatic disconnection of the supply in the event of overcurrent before it reaches a dangerous value, taking into account of its duration. Then protection against fault current. Faults are likely to occur in an electrical system. All parts intended to carry fault current shall be capable of carrying the fault current without reaching the excessive temperature levels. Protection against overvoltage and undervoltage. The major causes of overvoltages are lightning, switching or faults between live parts. This may damage the insulation of various equipments and insulation of power system. Overvoltage protective devices like rod gap, surge diverter, overhead earth wires are used for protection. In a domestic consumers, undervoltage is not a big problem. But in industries, undervoltage can lead to overloading of the motor or even unwanted tripping of motor starters, which leads to production loss. Most of the starting devices are equipped with undervoltage protection. Thank you all.